Hi, these are caterpillars, monarch caterpillars, and they are very, very hungry. Some of them are very small, but they will grow up to be very big caterpillars. Before they were caterpillars, they started out as a tiny, tiny little egg. And very soon, something very special is going to happen to them. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Here it is. Very, very tiny, just like the leaf I showed you. Very, very tiny. On a Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. Here he is, very tiny, but very hungry. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. Here's one apple. You can see where he ate right through it. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. Here he is. He ate all the apple, and then he ate 1, 2 pears. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. Okay. 1, 2, 3 plums. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. There's 4 big red strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, and he ate all of them. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but, and you know, he was still hungry. Here's our oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. Could you eat all that in one day? He did. Look at all the things that he ate. Cake and ice cream and pickles and cheese and salami and lollipops and sausage and cupcakes and watermelon. That night, he had a stomachache. And I'll bet if you ate all that, you'd have a stomachache too. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Yes, he ate through 1 big green leaf. Here he is, feeling much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out. Here he is, look how fat he got. Of course, if you ate all that, you'd be pretty fat too. Here's his little house called a cocoon. He's inside, chewed a little hole, and what do you think came out? A big, beautiful butterfly. Look how beautiful his wings are. All those pretty colors. And inside, the caterpillar is turning into a beautiful monarch butterfly. And in about a week, this little chrysalis will split open and out will come a butterfly. Let's see if we can find a monarch butterfly. But you see right in the tip of his face right here is a little curled up tongue. Looks like a little garden hose. And when he lands on a flower, he uncurls that, puts it down into the flower and gets a sip of a very sweet juice called nectar. His wings are black and orange. His two long antennae, and he uses that antenna for hearing. Imagine hearing with antenna, and feeling. He has 6 legs with little brushes on the bottom so he can hold onto a flower when he stops to drink nectar. And once upon a time, this beautiful butterfly was a very hungry caterpillar.
Okay, what flower do you see?
Do you want to hold it?